Hello, everyone. Welcome to another thrilling episode of Exposed Earnings, where we dive deep into the financial world and make sense of those numbers that can sometimes feel like a cryptic code. I'm your host, Jackie.
And I'm Kyra. Today, we're unpacking Alibaba Group's March quarter 2024 and full fiscal year 2024 results. It's been a year of transformation for Alibaba, and there's a lot to cover, so let's get started.
Absolutely, Kyra. Alibaba has been on a roller coaster this past year, but it looks like they're climbing back up. Their core business, including the Taobao Tmall Group, has seen some healthy growth. They reported a double-digit year-over-year growth in GMV this quarter.
That's right, Jackie. GMV, or gross merchandise volume, for those who might not be familiar, is the total sales value for merchandise sold through a particular marketplace over a certain time frame. It's a key indicator of the health of an e-commerce business like Alibaba.
And speaking of health, Alibaba's international digital commerce revenue skyrocketed by 45%. That's like hitting the gym after a lazy holiday season and suddenly you can lift twice your body weight.
Quite the analogy, Jackie. On a more technical note, Alibaba's AI-related revenue has seen a triple-digit year-over-year growth. This indicates their strong push into AI technology, which is becoming a significant part of their strategy.
Oh, and let's not forget about the cloud, Kyra. Alibaba Cloud has been making some serious moves. They've adjusted their product strategy for the AI era, focusing on creating competitive advantages in technology and scale.
Indeed, Jackie. They've also reduced pricing for public cloud products globally, which is a smart move to attract more customers across various sectors. This includes foundational model companies, internet companies, and industries like financial services and automotive.
Now let's talk numbers. Alibaba's total consolidated revenue for fiscal year 2024 was a whopping RMB 941.2 billion, up 8% year over year. That's a lot of zeros, Kyra.
Absolutely, Jackie. And their net income increased by 11% to RMB 157.5 billion. It's clear that despite the challenges, Alibaba is making strides in the right direction.
Before we continue diving deeper into Alibaba's strategies and their impact, let's take a short break to hear about Zeed, our sponsor for today's episode. Stay tuned. We'll be right back with more insights on Alibaba's earnings call.
You know, if you're really enjoying all the market insights and investing knowledge bombs I'm dropping on this podcast, wait until you check out Zeed AI. It's this killer app that puts an entire world of finance education, video content from elite fund managers, and personalized AI-driven portfolio analytics right in your pocket. Zeed is available for download on iOS and Android. So after this episode, go get it and take your investing game to the next level.
Welcome back. Now let's shift gears a bit and talk about Alibaba's user-first strategy. They've been really focusing on enhancing the shopping experience, which seems to be paying off.
That's correct, Jackie. They've implemented a system that allows brands and merchants to operate more efficiently. This approach has led to strong growth in quarterly buyers and purchase frequency, which in turn has driven robust double-digit growth in GMV. And
with the 88 VIP membership numbers growing by double digits year over year to surpass 35 million, it's like Alibaba has turned their platform into an exclusive club where everyone wants a membership.
Exactly, Jackie. Moving on to their financial strategies, Alibaba has been proactive with their capital management. They've increased cash return to shareholders, repurchasing about 1.25 billion ordinary shares and declaring significant dividends.
Talk about giving back to the community. Now, let's not overlook their cloud intelligence group. They've reported a revenue increase and are focusing on high-quality revenues from increasing public cloud adoption.
Indeed, and their AI-related revenue has continued to record triple-digit growth. This aligns with their strategy of investing in AI infrastructure to capture the monumental opportunities presented by generative AI-driven technological innovation.
It's like Alibaba is on a spaceship heading towards an AI galaxy. Now, shifting our focus overseas, their Alibaba International Digital Commerce Group saw a revenue increase of 45%.
And let's not forget about their logistics arm, Tanyao, which provides essential infrastructure to Alibaba's core e-commerce business. Despite withdrawing its IPO application, Alibaba is committed to supporting its expansion.
It's all about strengthening those synergies. Speaking of which, Alibaba's journey of transformation has had its challenges, but they are well prepared for the future. focusing on investing and executing their AI-driven strategy.
Absolutely, Jackie. And as we wrap up today's episode, it's clear that Alibaba is not just surviving. They're thriving by adapting and innovating. Their financial health and strategic moves paint a promising picture for the future.
That's all for today's episode of Exposed Earnings. We hope you found our deep dive into Alibaba's financials both enlightening and entertaining. Don't forget to tune in next time for more decoded earnings mysteries.
Thank you for joining us, and remember, whether it's up or down, there's always a story behind the numbers. Goodbye for now.
This podcast is generated completely using AI and does not constitute financial advice. As with all investing, your capital will be at risk. For more information, visit Zeed.ai.